Welcome to our video on the top 100 modern house front wall design ideas for a sleek and stylish look. In today's fast-paced world, the front wall of your home serves as the first impression, setting the tone for your entire property. A well-designed front wall not only enhances your home's curb appeal, but also reflects your personal style and creativity. Throughout this video, we will take you on a visual journey through 100 stunning front wall designs, showcasing innovative materials, unique color palettes, and cutting-edge architectural features that epitomize modern aesthetics. Whether you're looking to renovate your current space or seeking inspiration for a new build, you're bound to find ideas that resonate with your vision. From minimalist facades that exude elegance to bold statements that capture attention, modern front wall design is all about striking the right balance between functionality and style. Let's begin our exploration with minimalist designs, where less truly is more. These front wall designs often feature clean lines, uncluttered spaces, and a neutral color palette, creating a sense of serenity and sophistication. Materials like stucco, smooth concrete, and natural wood are commonly used to achieve this sleek look. Large windows integrated into the facade allow for ample natural light while maintaining an airy feel. The beauty of minimalist design lies in its ability to blend seamlessly with nature, providing a peaceful retreat that invites relaxation. Next, let's dive into bold and vibrant wall designs that make a statement. If you're not afraid of color, This approach allows you to express your personality and creativity. Bright hues like electric blue, deep red, or even bold yellow can add an energetic vibe to your home's exterior. Complementing these colors with contrasting materials, such as dark stone or metal accents, creates a striking visual effect that draws the eye. Moving on, we cannot overlook the timeless appeal of natural stone. Stone-clad front walls not only exude elegance, but also offer durability and low maintenance. With a range of options from smooth river rocks to rough-cut stones, this material adds texture and warmth to any home. Incorporating natural stone into your design can evoke a sense of harmony with the environment, especially when paired with lush landscaping. Next up, let's explore modern designs that emphasize transparency and lightness through large glass elements. Expansive glass panels and sliding doors can transform a traditional front wall into a dynamic living space, blurring the lines between indoors and outdoors. When used in conjunction with materials like metal or wood, glass can create a contemporary, inviting entrance that encourages connection with nature. For those who enjoy a more eclectic approach, mixing materials and styles can yield stunning results. Combining wood, metal, glass, and stone in creative ways can create a unique facade that tells a story. This design strategy invites exploration and fosters a sense of individuality, showcasing the homeowner's personality. In recent years, eco-friendly design has gained significant traction, and for good reason. Modern front wall designs can also reflect a commitment to sustainability. Using reclaimed wood, bamboo, or even living walls can not only reduce your environmental footprint, but also create a unique and attractive exterior. Integrating greenery into your front wall, whether through vertical gardens or planters, adds vibrancy and life to your home while improving air quality. As we wrap up our journey through the top 100 modern house front wall design ideas, we hope you found inspiration and ideas to elevate your home's exterior. Remember, a well-designed front wall is not just about aesthetics, it's about creating a welcoming environment that reflects your style and personality. Whether you lean towards minimalist elegance, bold statements, or eco-friendly designs, there are endless possibilities for transforming your front wall into a work of art. Don't forget to leave a comment and share your favorite front wall design inspiration. If you enjoyed this video, you'll love this next one.